ChatGPT and Copilot have been brilliant AI assistants capable of providing brief summaries on complex topics, generate images based on text prompts, and even write code in any programming language. Recently, they got a major upgrade with GPT-4, making them even more powerful by allowing them to see, hear, and speak. One of the exciting features is their ability to see. What does this mean? Well, now they can access and read any uploaded file or photo and generate captions, classifications, and analysis. Let's see how we can use this. Till now, we had to manually type in the information from a document to analyze it. With the latest version, all you need to do is upload a file or a screenshot, or take a picture of the content you want to analyze, and then ask questions about it. As long as the picture or file and your prompts are clear and concise, the AI should be able to assist you effectively. Let's try a fun example. You can use this feature to ask if the chosen outfit in the picture is suitable for a casual party. The AI assistant will tell if you are appropriately dressed for the event, but also provide you meaningful recommendations to improve your style. Plus, you can ask questions related to mechanical issues, wildlife, art, etc. Keep in mind that the free version allows you to analyze images a limited number of times. If you find yourself using it frequently, upgrading to the Pro or Plus version is a great idea. As you can see, our AI assistants are evolving rapidly, and I hope this video will motivate you to use these incredible tools. What are your thoughts on it? Do let us know in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.